Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. Alright, how is everyone doing tonight? Okay, in this video I want to talk a little bit about skinny brows. Yeah, you see? Up there I have some very big brows. You see how big it is. Yeah, but down here, look at those two. Very skinny. And this is not about theory, okay? I ran into some problem today. Some lady got a very skinny brows, and I ran into a couple of issues. So the issues is about the angle of the strokes when you do on skinny brows, right? If you can see this one over here, you see the stroke here, they're standing up more, right? They're standing up more because we have more room, right? So here the stroke standing up, and as we go to point number 6, we gradually falling to point number 6, right? And everything looks fine. But what about skinny brow like this? Let's try to do the skinny brow first, okay? And then we will, in this one here, we will do standing up. Yeah, make the stroke standing up more and see what happens. Okay, let's try it. Okay, first stroke on the line, right? We do regularly, just like we're standing up more, right? Second stroke, third, fourth, and then fifth, right? All right, so now let's make this one is standing up like this. Okay, and now we get the spine to number 6, and as you can see here, we don't have much space left. Very skinny slice, or very thin slice for upper stroke, and not too much down here, you see. And I will show you later on latex skin. But here, let's just keep going. Okay. See here, the stroke standing up, and gradually falling. But as you can see, now we have what is called, I call it like a fan syndrome. Yeah, fan. You know what a fan is? That's what a fence is. It's just like a lot of poles, along the fence like this. It looks not really nice, you see? Not that's nice. You see? It looks terrible, yeah? It looks terrible. I mean, for skinny brows, if we just do the traditional way just like this, and then we have this syndrome, the fan syndrome, yeah? Okay, it doesn't look that horrible, but again, it doesn't look gracefully or nice. Okay, you see, it's very spiky, and then when we get to the upper stroke, we don't have much room to work with, and that is another issue. Right here. Okay. Okay, you see, so now you understand the problem about skinny brow. The issue is we don't have much room to work with. Okay, we just don't. You see, we don't have much room to work with, and most of the space, if we do like this, right, if we're not careful, we take most of the space here for the lower stroke areas. It takes up most of the brows and not much left up here. And so that's the issue right there. And so I just want you to point this out. Okay, looks very spiky, you see. So how can we work on skinny brow like this? So one way to fix it is, instead of starting the transition stroke right here, you see the transition stroke right there. Instead of doing the transition stroke right there, probably we should start right here. You see, right? Instead of right here, we should start right here. Okay, and make the strokes like falling gracefully to either 0.6 or 0.3. In this case, we do 6, right? We did 6 up here. Let's just try 6 down here. Okay, so what I did here, right, I just try to do the spine right there. Okay, and now let's get going. Suppose we make the first stroke right here as our transition stroke. Okay, just like that. Okay, and here this drop right here we still, but this now, this thing here we will fold more to the right. You see, look way different. You see, this one stand up more, but this one we folding it more. Okay, and let's see how this works out. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, and we will compare at the end. Okay, I'm going to use red right here. You see now the stroke folding more gracefully. Okay, we will compare at the end, see how this look like. Okay, so this is for the skinny brow problem, or style, I would say. Why I'm doing this one? Because I ran into some issue today, and I realized that, okay, I'm running into this issue. Maybe other people have the same problem, so maybe make some videos to show them how to fix it. So as you can compare here, you see the lower strokes here standing up more, but this one here, it starts falling right from point number 4. Okay, so now let's go back and do the refill. Okay, let's do the refill. Okay, just fill it up like that. And by the way, for the lower stroke here, you can use some S-curve or slightly tiny bit of S-curve. It will look very nice too. Okay. So the issue with skinny brows or very thin brows is that we don't have a lot of real estate to work with, or we don't have a lot of space, okay, to work with. Okay. Just like that. Now let's get back here. When I do the one on latex skin, I will show you how to do the left hand brow or the left side as well. Okay, now let's just work with this area here. Okay, I have so many beautiful colors, I don't know which one to use. Okay, let's start right here. Just like that. Very skinny, so much onto there, much onto there. Okay, much onto the spine, going down, going down. One, two. Okay, as you can see right here, if you compare, yeah, this one doesn't look that bad, but you see the spiky one here instead of this one. You see, instead of that one we have this one. The hair flows more naturally, flow 2.6 and 3. You see, yeah, but just the angle, based on the angle here. And as you can see right here, some of these hair stroke here, we need to extend them a little bit. Okay, just extending them a little bit, and then we are good. There we go. You see, I like this one better. You see the hair flow, and you need to talk to your client. Okay, if she wants a very skinny brows, and then you need to ask about the hair flows. Okay, does she want standing up like this, or does she want something like this? Personally, I think this one is easier to do, because when you work on real human brows, right, real human skin, you have very today I ran into this problem. You see the width of this one maybe about 3 millimeter. Yeah, so that's not much. You see, think about 3 millimeter, just like that. I mean, it's very skinny. 3 millimeter, like from here across here, and then very thin. Okay, normally, you know, when I work on some brows, at least like 5 or, you know, 4.5 or 5 or 6 millimeters up, but this one is extremely small, 3 millimeters, very thin. So because you don't have much space, so you have to make sure that you do the right spine. You know, if she wants the hair's falling more, you know, like have a natural flow 2.6 upon 3 here, you make sure that you do the correct spine. And I recommend just do the spine like that. Do the first stroke here, you see the first stroke in orange right there, and then do the lower stroke falling like this, and then you do the upper stroke falling really fast, you see. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy it. Again, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. Okay, try it out, maybe draw on papers and then try on latex skin. In the next video, I will show you how to do it on latex skin. Okay, thank you and good night.